This is how I'm starting my spring break. This is what I'm doing. Got a new monster. Are you ready to have a spring break? What's going on with your eye, Bubba? You got something in it? You got allergies? Oh, you need a ball? Thank you. You got allergies? Or do you have something in your... Oh, no, you can open your eye like that. You got allergies, huh? Do your eyes feel itchy? Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Poor baby. Yeah. You have a fun spring break? No Pockwursts for you! You get to have all fun. Huh. Just, yeah, all fun. You guys see that with his eye? He's twitching it. Should I be worried? Oh my god. Here's the process on the blossom. We're not getting any. Like these 4 right here are it. There's some up there and they're blooming over here and down. We're not getting any in our normal area. Little jelly. Oh. I see you, little girl. We have sunshine on spring break. Enjoy, because this is probably the only sunshine